Hi guys, it's Natalie here from Kohkoz, and today I'm going to show you how to make khibbz metleh, which translates to fried bread. So basically you just need your Kohkoz pitters, and you need oil in a pan heated up to about 180 degrees. So you can use canola, vegetable, whatever you prefer. So these have been really popular at the market, and people have been asking, how do you make it? So it's really quick and easy. The oil needs to be 160 to 180. Just get a plate with a paper towel on it. If you don't want to do it in big pieces like that, and with this one I've just pulled apart the bread. You can see it's got a little seam on it. You just pull it apart and it makes you two pieces. Otherwise, you can chop it up with a pizza cutter and it gives you these little pieces here. So you just need to chop up really easy and you get little chips. So we'll test out the oil. You don't want it to be too hot, otherwise it burns. And if it's not hot enough, then the oil will just soak into the bread. So this is not too bad here. You'll have a look and see. So it's still a tiny bit cold. And that is at 170. But when you do take it out, you want to take it out while it's still white like that, because it will crisp up. So let's have a look. We're at 170. Okay, so I'm just going to put the bread in. So just be careful of your hands, and you just want to push it down so that it's all covered. And in your pan, you just need about 1 centimeter or 2 of oil. So let that fry up. You'll see the edges starting to curl on the, and that will mean that it's almost ready. As you can see, it's not too browned up yet, but you want it to come out at this color, because that will be perfect once it sits. So I'll just put that there. As you can see, you get that caramelly color on it, and you can also do the little crispies too. And if you don't want to cut them up, you can always break the whole one up, but these ones just come out a little bit more perfect. So you can use this bread with your hummus. You can use it with pretty much any dip you like. You can use them as on their own and just eat them. So as you can see, I'm taking them out while they're still white, and they brown when they're sitting. I'll do another one of the singles. So just put that in there again. Make sure it's covered with oil. The edges will start to curl. You want to take it out about now. Let the oil come off and just let it sit. So these should be crunchy, as you can hear it, and they're absolutely delicious. So definitely do try them at home and let me know what you think. And yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and enjoyed the tutorial of the fried bread. See you later.